So you have the components installed, connected, and you are ready for configuration. You're now faced with a new challenge: the lead time for a factory technician to come to the site and configure the system, which could be 3 weeks or more. The issue is that the configuration of lighting control systems, also sometimes referred to as startup, has brought the lighting controls manufacturer into the construction process, leading to scheduling issues, additional cost, and general frustration. This was an issue that Touché experienced as well, but we figured there had to be a better way. We designed our solution to truly have out-of-the-box functionality while remaining simple, which allows for easy configuration changes. Both the Room Manager and SmartPack automatically identify what devices are connected and will begin to control the room in vacancy mode. This will satisfy most space requirements without the need for an additional configuration. If configuration changes are required, they can be accomplished by using our free Touché Insight smartphone app. Here is an example of changing a room from vacancy control to occupancy control. Simply connect to a controller and press the mode icon on the room configuration page. This will load the automatic controls page, then press the control type and select occupancy. Press the done button, and that's all that's needed. We feel that providing you with the knowledge and resources to complete your project will eliminate the cost, scheduling issues, and frustrations that come along with on-site factory technician configuration. But we understand that your project may require it, and that's not a problem. Touché still offers remote configuration or on-site configuration if required.